Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is Aaron Davis, aka Vox Studios, and today I will be demoing the personality trait aggressiveness that I have built into my game's AI. So let me give you a quick rundown of what everything is. The cyan units are my units, or allied units. The pink units are the enemy units. So these full circles here are units. These darker circles surrounding them are a representation of their sight range. This ring here is a spawn location, and this dark circle, this larger dark circle around it, is considered territory. So the way I have set up aggressiveness is that it is proximity based. So how that works is aggressiveness in the game has a value of 1 to 100, and it correlates to a unit's sight range. So if a unit has 50% aggressiveness, which my units currently do, they will be aggressive towards enemies that are within 50% of their sight range. So for this guy, about here, something like that. So the way I have this all set up is that when I unfreeze this guy right here, he should ignore this guy and just go back to the base and defend. But I have set up a multiplier for units within their own territory. So if a unit is in its own territory, it gets a multiplier of 2. Because this guy has 50% times 2 equals 100%, this enemy should be in range for aggressiveness. Now there's also another thing to know. Quick fun fact, this video goes with a corresponding blog post. And I'll link that in the description if you'd like to read more. But unit is in its territory, that's a 2 times multiplier. If the unit and the enemy are in the unit's territory, then it's a 3 times multiplier. But because we're at 50%, can't go over 100, that doesn't really matter right now. So, like I said, this guy should ignore and just go back to the base and defend, while this guy here should, because of the multiplier, go out and try and attack this guy until he hits the edge of the territory, at which he'll lose the multiplier, revert back to 50% aggressiveness, and then this guy will be outside of its range. Now, I've run this test a couple times, so this guy will most likely go back and defend, and then try and attack again when he gets to the territory because he gains the multiplier. Either that, or he'll get too close on trying to defend, and then he'll be within 50% and he'll attack. So here is, let me just go ahead and do that. Show you how that works. So this guy here, we're going to unfreeze him. We will unpause the game, and he should ignore this guy and go to defend. When he hits that territory marker, guy's in range, and he comes back. And then he gets ignored. So he goes back to the base to defend. That's exactly what I wanted, or I expected, excuse me. So this guy right here, we'll unfreeze him, and we will unpause the game. He should attack up until the point he reaches this line here, in which case he should turn around and ignore this enemy. So he's going, ignored. There we go. And that's a quick demo. Like I said, if you'd like to read more, I have linked the blog post in the description. So yeah, leave me your comments, thoughts, concerns, ideas, and have a wonderful day.